Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to purchase a gift card in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the additional services section, click on the buy gift card button. And first you have to set the currency of the gift card, and then you can choose the amount of money that you want to put on this gift card. So from 20 to 1,000 euros you can, it's optional. And also you can choose between the design and also if you have any special occasion coming up for a friend, like Valentine's Day, birthday, or Mother's Day, you can choose that. And then you can also type a kind message, or if you want to congratulate, you can write that, and then just click on the continue button. And then you have to set the gift card, the sender information, so your first or middle name and your surname, your email address, your area code and phone number. You can tick if you're a Turkish citizen, and then you have to set if you purchase this gift card for yourself or for someone else. Because if it's for someone else, then you have to set the giftee's information as well, their first middle name, their surname, their email address, and their area code and phone number. And then once you have read and accept the privacy notice and terms and conditions, then just click on the continue, and there you have to pay, and your gift card is purchased. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.